Hey, so I'm out of power. It's winter outside. You can't tell through the windows because it's too dark. But yeah, I'm out of power. I've got candles going. I got a buck stove going to get the there it is, very bright. So I'm bored, because there's no power, so I can't play games. So instead, I'm going to talk about games, and I'm also going to attempt to cook hot pockets. I mean, they're technically lean pockets, but what's the difference? I'm going to attempt to cook hot pockets on a buck stove while talking about games, maybe. Who knows? So, is there a good way to do some hot pockets? Lean pockets? Like I said, who cares? Big old pan. And some aluminum foil. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the phone down for a second. Just a second. I'm going to put the phone. I'll move this candle. Alright, so. Box. Gone. Okay. Pocket. Make sure I use this, It comes with it, you might not want to do it without it, right? Catch it on fire, who cares? So, I'm going to put pocket in tin. It's not actually tin. No, it might be tin. It's probably galvanized steel. And second pocket, because I'm fat and I'm hungry. As you can see, fat. Okay, anyway. Pockets in the thing. Pockets go in. Tin foil. This is going to sound great in audio. There's one more. It didn't quite cover it. Alright, so now I've got Hot Pockets inside a thing covered in aluminum foil. I'm going to poke some holes in it. For some ventilation. This is basically going to steam the Hot Pockets. This is going to be bad. Yep. Alright, here we go. Bringing the thing over to the other thing. So this is going to be hard to see. Buck stove fire there, so I can assure you that it's here. All right, so it's right here. My hand is right. It's in that general area. Okay. There's still a box on the floor from when I threw that as a joke. You do funny things like YouTubers where you throw things. Let me get in the light a bit here. Hold on, I'm trying to show you something. I got a infrared temperature thermometer. I'm going to check the temp of my butt. You can't see me. You can't. This is awful. This is awful content. I'm gonna just check it. Hold on. I assure you, based on the light beam, that I am checking the temp of the thing. It has already reached 200 degrees. So this is gonna be great. In the meantime, I'm just stepping on things. I'm gonna throw away this box. Hold on. Give me your box. Right in the trash. Okay, so basically, I've been playing a lot of Tales of games recently. Tales of Vesperia, Berseria, Zestiria, Legendia. Tales of games are basically Final Fantasy games if Final Fantasy games weren't Final Fantasy games. They're not similar at all. The only thing that connects them is that they share titles. Every Tales game starts with Tales of. Every Final Fantasy game starts with Final Fantasy. And in each new game, it's new worlds with new characters. So that's the only real through line there. They are not really comparable. Other than that, I mean, they're both JRPGs, but so is Dragon's Dogma. So, you know what I mean? Maybe I can hold this candle. No, it's a big candle. I'm not going to hold a big candle. I'm going to cause a fire. And this hurts. This one hurts. Ow. Okay. Maybe I can put it on a plate. Like I said, quality content. But basically, Tales of games at least the old ones, had a very particular gaming format.
Ooh, where they only allowed you to fight in a, like a horizontal plane. It's called like linear action combat or something of that style.
So, nowadays, it is 3D. You can just go wherever you want. Back in the day, you would lock onto a target and you would run left or right, and it worked kind of like a fighting game, almost. You had combos, you had a general attack, and then you had arts attacks where you could, like, do like a demon fang. You do a hit, and you just punctuate it with a demon fang. Nowadays, especially in like Berseria or Sarah, everything ends in Ia. It's difficult to talk. Tales of Berseria in particular.
Every attack is an arts attack, and it's kind of okay. Just generally speaking.
That's the cat, bye. It's been long enough. I'm gonna check on my food, okay? I mean, this is obviously not the best content on YouTube, and no one's gonna watch it. And if they do, hello, thank you.